Say that again?
I said I didn't even hear. I just saw feel the take. I just saw the splash. You're gonna have to help me net him.
Oh, that's a nice brook you did. Whenever you're ready. He ain't ready yet?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, look at the size of the tail on that. Holy walnuts.
Put that net in the water.
Nice trout. You're on video, so.
Am I?
I'm watching every mistake.
I don't want to do that.